welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday, beautiful Wednesday. Wish Wednesday is an opportunity for you guys to wish for songs here on Gordon Guitar and for me to bring them back to you as a gift. And this time we have the wisher Amal Hussein, I believe it's pronounced like that. You wished for ANSON SEABRA's Lucky Charms. It's a great song. Haven't heard this before, but yeah, I looked at it and it's a great song. We have like a picking pattern that goes through the entire song, pretty much in the same way. It differs a little bit. I'm gonna give you one version of it, and it goes like back and forth a little bit with some notes here and there, but this will be perfect for the song. And then we will look at one easy strumming pattern. It goes in the same chord progression through the entire song, so that's great. Now let's start. Capo here on the 4th fret, and with that we have these 4 chords. We will start with the A minor 7. All right, so that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be F major 7 sus 2. Long name, very easy chord to play, just like this. So that will be 3rd here on D string, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the G. So you can have it like that. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time. Normally we do 3rd B. This is open now, and finally 3rd E. All right, so there we have the chords, and that chord progression will go through the entire song. A minor 7, F major 7 sus 2, or F major, we'll call it that, and then C and G. All right, so let's look at this picking pattern. It differs a little bit here and there, but this will be the main picking pattern for this song. Okay, so I'm going to give you the notes for each and every chord. So let's start with the A minor 7 part. Sounds like this. Okay, so you hold the A minor as it is, and then yeah, actually you can just hold the 1st fret on B string. That will be enough for this picking pattern. But I'm used to hold the A minor 7 as it is, so it's up to you, but yeah. Anyway, you're gonna pick the open A string together with 1st B, then open G, then open A, then 1st B, open G, open A, and open G. That is the A minor 7. So slowly goes like this. Yeah, so there you have this that part. Let's go over to the F major 7. All right, so you can start with F major 7 in this grip, but you will have to add the 3rd fret on D string a bit into this picking pattern. But if it's hard to just get all these 3 immediately right there, so go from A minor 7 to this grip, and then you can add in your tempo this 3rd fret D string. But the first grip you need is the 1st fret on E string in the bass, and then the 1st fret on the B string. All right, so that will be the start. So you're gonna play the 1st E and 1st B together. Then comes the open G, then 1st E, then 1st B, then open G, and here you're gonna add the 3rd fret on D string and 1st fret B. So it sounds like this in standard tempo. And in slow tempo. Alright, so there you have the F major. Let's go to the C part, and that sounds like this. So that will be third on the A string together with first B string, and that's the only grip you need for this song here, or this picking pattern. So third A together with first B, then open G, then third A, then first B, open G, third A, and first B. Slowly. Yeah, so that is the C part. Now the final G sounds like this. Okay, so here the only thing you need to hold is actually just third fret on E string in the bass. So with that, you're gonna play that note, third fret E, together with open B, then open G, third E, open B, third E, open G, third E, and open G. So slowly it sounds like this. And it's standard. And there you have the melody. All right, so that was the A minor 7, F major 7, C, and G. I'm gonna take you through this in a slow tempo, and then I'm gonna speed up to a standard tempo. So let's go for 2 rounds of this melody. So on. All right, so there you have that. And now let's just look at the strumming pattern. And this comes a little bit later in the song, and I think you just need to hear where and then follow that. But you can also use the strumming of your own choice there a little bit earlier or from the beginning. It's up to you. I just give you the tools here, and you can do whatever you want with it. This will be through the entire song, pretty much the melody and the strumming also, if you wish. So anyway, let's look at the strumming. We'll have the A minor 7 as the first chord, so we can take that grip. And 1 round of the strumming will actually be just 8 downs. Okay, 8 downs in total. It will play 8 downs per chord. So A minor 8 downs, and F major 8 downs, and C and G, and so on. All right, so 1 strumming round per chord. And yeah, it's not just 8 downs like this, because we want to have a certain rhythm. So that means we need to emphasize certain downs. So when we play this kind of strumming, 8 downs, it comes sometimes, and when it does, it usually are with this emphasize downs, and it usually is on the first down, the fourth down, and the seventh down. Okay, so you count to 8 downs, and then you're gonna emphasize the first, the fourth, and the seventh. And how do we emphasize that one? Yeah, you're gonna play more on the top strings, the first, fourth, and seventh down, and more on the bass strings when it comes to the downs in between, the second, third, the fifth, sixth, and eighth. Okay, so slowly it will sound like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is one round. Okay, so 1 is the first one to emphasize on the top string, then bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass. So top, bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, top, bass, bass. Yeah, there you have the strumming pattern, and it's up to you. You can go back and forth playing the melody. So and so on. So that is pretty much Anson Seabra's Lucky Charms, and I hope you, Jamal Hussein, like this one, and all you Anson Seabra fans, this is for you. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope this helped. So if it does help, please thumb up, leave a comment perhaps, subscribe if you haven't yet, and yeah, see you soon. Take care and play tuned.